Gautam Buddha mother was from which clan? First option is Sakya clan, second is Maya clan, third is Lichavis clan, and last one is Kolyan clan. Then correct option is option D, Kolyan clan. Gautam Buddha, also known as Siddharth. Childhood name, was born 563 BC in Sakya Kshatriya family in Lumni near Kapilavastu, Nepal. His father name was Sudhodana, who was the chief of the Sakya clan. His mother was Maya Devi, who was from the Kalyan clan. Father is Sakya clan. Father is Sakya clan. Mother is Kalyan clan. Then correct option is option D, Kalyan clan.